Hello boys and girls, this is Mr. Kwabaki and I will be showing you how to use the Glogster on your computer for your project. If you already know how to use Glogster, you don't need to watch this. If you don't know how to use Glogster, this will be a good tutorial for you, and you can come back to this at any time to learn the basics. The first thing you're going to do is go to, right up here, edu.glogster.com. edu.glogster.com. Then I'm going to log in. Everybody's going to log in. Their nickname and their password is their student ID. I'm going to log in as Mrs. Unangst. And when you log in, you're going to see a page like this. If anything pops up, just click the X to close the page. And you will see all kinds of stuff on here. You see a teddy bear, edu basic, compare basic versus premium. Well, you don't want to do anything with that. The first thing that you want to do is come up here to edit my profile along the top of the page. Okay, and what I can do once I go to edit my profile is I can change my first name, I can change my last name, I can change my gender if I'm a boy or a girl, I can put when I was born, country. You don't have to do any of this, but the least that we want you to do is you must put your first and your last name in there. You must put that in there. When I'm finished, I'm going to come up here to the pink button that says Save Changes. My changes have been saved. And then I'm going to come back up right above my teddy bear next to where it says the percentage. And I'm going to go back to dashboard. The dashboard is where everything is located for your project. And what I want to do now is go to create new glog. And when I create a new glog, you're going to see that it's working. And you're going to see some pictures that are already on here. Now, what we want to do is get rid of these pictures because these are not, we haven't put these on here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the pictures, and then there's a pink trash can. Just going to delete all of these. Okay, now I have a blank screen. And once I have all those deleted, now I can go in and start adding things of my own. And basically, I'm just going to go through what each of these tools do on the toolbar. The first one is graphics, and you can see it's just clip art. And over here on the left-hand side, there's different categories. Or if I go to see all, I can see down here along the bottom there are different pages. So if I want to add one of these, I would just click on it. Since it's close to Easter, I'll put the bunny on there. And now once I click on that, I haven't used it yet. I have to go down here and click on the pink button. So one thing to keep in mind in Glogster, everything that's important or everything that you need to use is normally a big pink button. So when I click on that, use it. Now I'm going to go up and close my graphics toolbar by clicking on the X, and now I have my bunny. And what I can do is I can make it bigger, I can rotate it. This button in the middle lets me move it around. So you can do whatever you want as far as making it the size that you like. If I want to do anything with the colors or the background of that, I can go to the edit button, and now you can see everything's grayed out except for the bunny. And then I have my color palette. I can click on that. I can change the color of my bunny. Click again, apply. If I want to add a link, let's say for example I want somebody to click on that and go to a link. Maybe I put www.easter.com. I can apply that, and now if anybody would click on this bunny, it would take them to another link. For effects, I can put a shadow on it with the blur. I can change the darkness of the shadow. I can change the angle of the shadow. And I can change the distance away from my object, the shadow is. Okay, then I hit apply. Then I'm going to hit OK. And now here's my bunny. Okay, my shadow and all. And also, if anybody clicks on it, it would take them to that page, the web page. The next one is text. If I want to add text, there are different text backgrounds or text boxes. I'm just going to use a bubble, and I'm going to click use it. And here is my little box that I can type in. If I want to type, I have to go up to edit, and let's say hi everyone, and I can change it with my color palette. Okay, apply. I can change the font if I highlight that. You can see my font is changing. I can change the color of my font. I can change the size of my font, whatever you want to do. There's different characters you can put in there. Then I'll click apply. Effects, again, I can put a shadow on the back of that. I can change how dark, the distance, the angle. I'm going to hit apply, okay, and there's my text box. The next one is an image. Now for the image, you need to have an image already uploaded to your document. So you need to go out to Google or somewhere, find the image, upload it to My Pictures. Once I do that, I can go to Upload, and I will go to the part or the place on my computer. I'll go to My Documents, and then I'm going to go to My Pictures, and let's see here. I'll look at it in thumbnail view, or medium icons. Yours will say thumbnail. And I'm going to put a picture of my favorite football player, Donovan McNabb. I'm going to open that, and you can see now he's in there. Once he's in there, I can click on this, use it, close, and now here's Donovan McNabb. Okay? And I can go in and edit the same way I could do to all the rest. So make sure you go to wherever you want to find your picture, you find it, you save it to your documents, to My Pictures, and then you go into Images. You're going to upload that image so you can use it. Video, you're not going to be able to use because all of the video plays are blocked right now, so no videos. Sound, you will be able to, we'll stay away from sounds as well because they will be blocked. The data, don't worry about the data either. Draw, okay? This is going to be a feature of the Premium, I believe. So we don't have to worry about that. And finally, the wall. This we will be able to use. Same thing, if you go to my galleries, I can see all of the different pictures that I have to use for my background. I'm going to, this looks pretty cool. I'll use this, click use it, and now that's my background. If I wanted to, I could use a picture from My Pictures, and this is from another teacher that we uploaded, and it's Johnny Depp. And now once I have him on here, I can stretch it so it uses the whole frame. Stretch and fill, so it fills the whole thing out. Normal, it won't fill out the whole thing. Or I can tile it so it's everywhere. Okay, and you can see if I click use it what it's going to look like. Okay, so I'm going to tile it, and actually I'm not going to use this because I'm not a huge Johnny Depp fan. I'll use this, close it, and now I'm finished. So here's my Glogster, and if I'm finished with the Glogster, I can click save or publish. That's what I want to do, save or publish. And I'm going to name my glog. So what I want you to name your glog is your first name. So I'll just put Mr. Kulbacki. You don't need a last name. For the category, you can just leave it as not set. If you wanted to, you could do educational, or I'm sorry, school if you wanted to. Now, very important, public, unfinished, or finished. Yours is unfinished right now. Once you finish, you can click on finish, but right now keep it as unfinished. Click on save. You can see that it's working. It says it's saving. It says what next? Well, we're not going to do anything next because we haven't finished. Go back to dashboard, and you can see that I have, if I go to my dashboard, I have 2 glogs now. Okay? Now, one thing that's a little tricky is getting back into your glog. Once I finish that, if I come back to this page, if I log in again at another time, I have to go up to edit my profile, or view my profile. I'm sorry, view my profile, and I can see that I have 2 glogs. Okay, there's my one glog. But if I click on the word glogs, it will show me both of my glogs. And I'm going to click on this glog that I want to use. Run the name of it. And I can see it, and now up here it says edit your glog. Okay, so here's edit your glog, and now I can go back in and I can do whatever I want. Again, once I'm finished editing it, I go up to save or publish. Finished, unfinished, whichever you are. Finish it, save it. What do you want to do next? Continue editing, view the glog. I'm going to go back to the dashboard. Okay, if you have any questions, you can ask your teacher, or I'll be in and out of the classroom today. And good luck. Bye.